In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually charge a payment or customer in Stripe. Whether you're new to Stripe or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step so you can confidently handle charges manually. First, make your way to the Stripe website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in stripe.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, you'll then be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Remember to double check your login details to avoid any hiccups. Once you've entered your credentials, click the sign in button. You'll now be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate to the home page if it's not your default landing. This is your main hub where you can manage and view various aspects of your Stripe account. Next, head over to the billing section. You can usually find this in the left-hand menu. Click on billing and then select invoices. This is where you can manage all your invoices. To create a new invoice, click on create new invoice. This action will allow you to manually input the necessary details for charging your customer. With your new invoice page open, start by adding a customer. If the customer is already listed in your database, you can simply search for and select their name. If they're new, create a record by filling out their details. Once you've added the customer, it's time to add a product. Select the product from your inventory or input the details of a new product manually. This ensures that you charge for the correct item or service. Now let's talk taxes. Select any applicable taxes that need to be applied to this invoice. It's important to ensure all financial details are accurate to maintain proper records and comply with tax requirements. After you've reviewed your entries and are satisfied, click Save to keep all your data intact. Moving on, you'll see the option to auto charge customer. Click this button if you want Stripe to automatically process the payment using the customer's stored payment information. If you're manually inputting card details, enter the card number securely and double check it for accuracy. Finally, set the schedule for your charge by clicking on Schedule Charge Date. You can select today's date for an immediate charge or choose a future date that better suits your needs. To wrap up, confirm everything by clicking Confirm Invoice, and that's it. You've successfully manually charged a payment in Stripe. This process ensures you maintain control over your transactions and can customize them based on your business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.